Hello. I mentioned in an earlier video that I had placed an order with a new company that I hadn't used before, and that is Oakridge Hobbies and Toys. Oakridge is an online seller of hobby supplies for doll houses, paper crafts, model making, power wheels, trains, among other things. So I did my first order from them, and it just arrived today. So let me go through and see how they did. First of all, this is a Plasticville, easy to assemble, snap to assemble kit for a coaling tower that's going to go in between my tracks. So I have not done one of these before. I have no idea how difficult it'll be, but it arrived in good shape from the good folks at Oakridge. Also, I ordered two vehicles that are part of the Just Plug system that comes from Woodland Scenics. This is the work truck, and it's pretty nice looking, I think. I'm looking forward to putting that on. And this is the heavy hauler. It's a stake bed truck that you might have seen back in the mid-50s, and that will be another nice addition. The order also included another Woodland Scenics built and ready building, which we will attempt to open very quickly without boring you with a lot of noise and talk in the meantime. But this one will be Ethel's gas station, Ethel's service station. Let's take a look what we have here. This is coming out of the box, and again, well packaged, well put together, no damage visible that I can see here. And this is what it looks like. This is how it's been packed. It looks like a nice old gas station from the 50s, and there's a few parts that have to be put on there that don't fit within the box, so those will get put in place, but it's going to be a nice addition to the layout, I'm sure. Put that aside and bring out the last item in this, and that is the Plasticville church. Needed to put a church somewhere on my layout, I thought, and I got a kit for that also. That's Plasticville, which has been around for a long time, from Bachman. So that's my haul from Oakridge Hobbies and Toys, and my first impression is very favorable. Everything was packed very carefully, no damage to anything in transit, and the prices were outstanding, really, on everything I bought from them. You might wonder why I buy from so many different places. First of all, most of the time you can get the Woodland Scenics products much less expensively if you're buying them from somebody else. These were a good deal cheaper than they were anywhere else. And the other thing is that not everybody that carries their products carries everything. So I bought several other items from trainworld.com, very happy with their prices and their service, but Woodland Scenic products from Oakridge were just a little bit cheaper. However, they didn't have as complete a line as Trainworld. And with regard to the Ethel service station, there's no place that I have come across this anywhere on the web or online that was as inexpensive, relatively inexpensive, let me say, as it was from Oakridge. So I got the best price that I've seen anywhere for this from Oakridge, and I'm looking forward to putting that on my layout. So thanks for watching. That's my newest haul, my latest haul, and I'm delighted to have it. Please like, subscribe, and share. There should be a link in the upper right corner of the screen to click on to subscribe. Also, I appreciate any comments that you have. I look forward to getting your comments and any suggestions and ideas, experience that you may have had with any of these products. I would enjoy hearing about. Thanks for watching.